Good morning, guys. It's another day. We've actually arrived US yesterday through Buffalo, New York. So time check, it's 5 a.m. We're flying to New York today. Nandito kami sa Buffalo Airport, and it will be, I think, an hour and a half flight. So see you guys in New York. They are checking in. Good morning, guys. So we've made it to the immigration checkpoint. We're now trying to head to our gate. Off to New York.
New York.
Yeah.
New York.
Off to New York. Off to New York. Off to New York.
Morning.
Saan punta?
New York. New York. New York.
Saan punta sa Riley?
Ariana, where will we go? Breakfast at Tiffany's.
Doon pa tayo breakfast.
Magkakape lang kami sa NYP.
So, anong oras na ba? 7:15. Excited po kami. 1 hour pa po yung flight namin. So, see you guys! Last one natin.
Balik mo yung sa'yo.
Guys, touchdown JFK. Welcome. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York, guys. Welcome to New York. It's a very busy airport, guys. Arrival. Alright, let's go. Ugang. Saan kayo punta? The last one. Enter na? Thank you. We're at the New York train station, so we decided to take the public transport. Napakamahal ng taxi dito. So from the airport to is roughly charging us $250 US dollars. So mas mura sa train. Right, so famous daw tong chicken na to. Luckily, paglabas ng train station meron agad. So, we'll go! Nakita ko na! Wait lang, wait lang. Yummy! Ano yan? 4 pieces?
4 chicken fingers.
Alright, papasadahan lang natin. How was it then?
Bucket list, right? Bucket
list. Check. Right, Empire State Building, guys. And then Madison Square Garden. Mamaya, lapitan natin yan. Kasi west side ko eh. Baka busy ng kalye na to. So, trying to find yung hotel, Airbnb. Hindi, kasi doon tayo nun eh. Hanap daw siyang I Love New York.
Mamaya, malapit na naman sa atin. Huwag mo na kayo pumili.
Mag-scout lang ngayon na para alam nyo yung meron at wala.
Baka may pangalan kayo dyan. Ano yan?
Uy, ang ganda, ang sarap ng mga t-shirt.
Ayun, Riley, mga ganun, no? Na.
Oh, ano?
Trump Tower dito.
We're at the ano street to? 35th ba to?
34th Street.
34th Street. I think dito nagpaparade yung ano, pag yung St. Patrick, ano ba yan? Yung may parade?
Yung Christmas parade, ito ginagawa niya, Christmas parade. Dapat ipin, ikaw nandito eh.
Habang Jack. Shopping-shoppingan. Tingnan natin. Isang oras ikot, walang bit-bit. Hi guys, so we're at Macy's. So pumasok tayo kanina dyan. As usual, window shopping lang. So some items mas mura, some items mas mahal. So see. Alright guys, so lumabas na kami, hindi na masyado mainit. Quick nap kami. Madison Square Garden guys, so home of the New York Knicks sa mga NBA fanatics dyan. So have a look, ano yung mga malapit na kainan dito. For sure marami, so let's see.
Attention please. Amtrak Vermonter train 55 scheduled to depart.
So ito yung entrance B ng Madison Square Garden. Alright, hotdog stands, pretzels, peanuts. So may band on the side. Sunday cone. Hi guys, so bibili tayo niyan NYPD shirt. Good morning guys, it's day 2 at New York City. So time check, it's exactly 7:35. So we're heading for a city bus tour ngayong araw na to. So it's a 10-minute walk from our place. So starts at 8. Hopefully maganda yung weather today kasi siya yung mga double decker na open bus. So let's go! Guys, over there is yung Times Square Plaza. So nantay namin yung bus. So eat muna ng breakfast bread. So dito sa New York, bread is life. So fast break yung mga almusalan. So ang dami yung mga ready-made bread sa kalye, makikita nyo. Let's go!
Polso. Mukha kayo na?
Headphones and phone. Oo, i-check daw kung meron pa.
Baka umulan. Alright, so nandito na kami sa Top View bus. So we've managed to find a seat dito sa pinaka-top can see. It's a full house. That's the sales about. And this will be our tour for today. Let's go. Hi guys, done with the cruise. Done with the bus tour. So ngayon naman mag-cruise tayo papunta sa Statue of Liberty. Let's go. We're at Hudson Bay. So dito iikot yung yung cruise. Tumabanggang to papunta sa Statue of Liberty. So very nice. So away from dun sa hustle and bustle ng city dito sa right side natin. So ito more on I think downtown na to. So this is the cruise ship na sasakyan natin guys. So sana kami maaga. We have an hour to wait. Di ba tayo sasakay, nakakahilo kapag nandaan na. So we'll walk muna here and see yung park. Let's go. Wave dito, Bet, oh. Hi, Ram. Moving on now. Let's go.
Yeah, this is the exact thing we're doing at the statue.
Hi guys,
We're going to the statue, right side
and
to
we're
see
on.
first, then we're going to pivot, and then the left side's going to see it. Everyone's going to see the Statue of Liberty. We got
Hi,
it.
Ra. So, thanks Statue of Liberty guys.
Your bearings, the Hudson River.
Take a closer look at Manhattan City. Center guys.
Also, we 138 this year.
Hi guys, approaching Statue of
We're
Liberty.
going to see the crown on head, the crown of 7 points, representing the 7 seas or 7 continents of your birth. And our non-tour change on tablets of July 4th, 1776, because that's when we declare independence.
New Jersey.
So we're going to go right down in front of her. Right side's going to see her first.
Statue of Liberty, guys. Alright guys, so that's the end of the cruise. Thanks Dave for bringing us here. Ganda. So docking na po kami. And time for lunch. Bye!
Have a good day, you guys. Watch your step on your way out. Lots of handrails.
Nakakapon tayo po sabi niya kasi pag sila po kasama. Ay, late. Big bro yung deal.
Kids Inday. Hey guys, done with the bus tour. We're now at Times Square Plaza. So, I think mas maganda to sa gabi, pero we'll look for lunch now. Times Square Plaza. Dito guys, nagka-countdown yung pag New Year, yung hour na yan. Hour na yan.
Okay, that's good? All right. I'm waiting for the fresh bread as soon as it's out. Okay.
That's a lot of cheese, really.
Would you like cheese? Yes, please. All right. That's good. You're welcome.
Sila pa tinga lang. It's this mushroom chicken.
Would you like cheese?
Yes, please. Sa akin yan, meatballs.
That's good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Meatballs lang.
Would you like cheese?
Yes.
With the sausage sa'yo okay
That's
dyan.
good? Okay, sorry about that. That's good?
Good?
With Italian sausage.
Yeah. Ang saya, te.
Would you like cheese?
Shrimp, chicken shrimp.
Okay. On the seafood Alfredo, do you want cheese?
Really, lasagna, 5 cheese. Ira with something, sausage. Mami has the best pasta.
Al dente.
Mine is the spaghetti with the meatball.
Hindi nga gumagana yun. Ay, mabuhatin na marami ito. Bibigyan niya siya ito. Ayaw mo may kahate, ha?
Tama na yun.
Done with the lunch. Busog-busog. May take out pa. Ayan oh. Gitara lang ang nakaharang oh.
Minimal. No problem. Ah, Mari Pacquiao! Yeah.
Lahat nga ng halos action hero dito.
souvenir shop in New York. May bang jersey ni Ewing dito? Alright guys, dito tayo sa mga jerseys. Name it, football, basketball, soccer, hockey. Lahat dito ang dami guys. Kompleto. Ikaw mananaw. Lahat ng player seta nandito. I'm here. Levi's, 50% off po, Levi's. Pumasok. Dinumog na na superhero. Dida ang saya. Ito si Carlos.
Ano niyo ako doon sa loob? Ayo, dali. Huwag ka nang pumasok. Diyan ka na sa labas.
Order siya eh.
Kasi yung wala.
Order siya. Sa Rockefeller Center. And there's this. Building, Rockefeller Center. Yeah, so dito guys, sinisindihan yung pagpasko yung giant Christmas tree. Michael Corso, beto sa baba. Taking the train. Hi, Ma. We're taking the subway going to Grand Central Penn Station. Let's go. Wait lang, wait. Good morning guys, another day in New York. So punta kami dito sa museum. Kung familiar kayo sa Night of the Museum movie, ito po yun. Pasok kami, let's see. So remember this from the movie. So we're here. Parang gano'n.
Pag ganyan
laki oh.
Ang laki.
Ayun, lulunuking ka nito mi.
mag-picture tayo.
Pati ito mga to, oh. Oh, yung pamilyang elepante. South Africa. These are extinct and endangered insects. Ayan o, ayan ang family nila o. Ayan na pa. Stegosaurus. Hindi tayo mahilig sa history guys, kaya hindi natin alam to. Basahin nyo na lang kung ano yung mga ipa-flash natin sa video. Right, pero very impressive yung ano, yung museum na to. Ito, di ba nakikita nga sa movie to? Edmontonian
Rugosidens. Edmonton, from the Edmonton.
Ito nakakatakot oh. Laki oh. I don't know guys kung kita nyo sa camera, pero ang lalaki nito. Ayan, reference sa mga tao. Mammoth. Wow guys, ito yung mongoose. Sobrang laki. Isang buong room siya. At lumabas pa yung extension ng ulo niya. Let's have a look. Ano to? Ito yung biggest, kumbaga, of the lahat ng mga historic dinosaurs. Alright guys, so we'll move naman sa mga creatures sa sea creatures sa karagatan. Actually, mas nakakatakot sa dagat kasi imagine, hindi mo space yan, hirap lumangoy, mabagal ka, and then they can move fast. So they can be easily a target na maging prey. Next head.
Wala ba yung dagang Pilipinas dito?
Wala sila doon, malaki-laki yun. Gapusa. Ice Age. All types of minerals. Salt and ACL. Guys, look at this humongous whale. Lahat ng mga sea creatures. Food truck. This one. Grand planning after ng French fries meeting. Guys, fun fact, so when you go to New York sa Times Square, make sure na you know your way kapag maghanap kayo ng toilet kasi napakahirap ng toilet. So not all establishments are actually providing access sa kanilang mga toilet. So I don't know why, but some places would offer na you need to purchase muna bago mo magamit yung toilet. So just so you know. 44th. So we're at the 44th Street. So I think this is mostly mga shows. So dito yung mga ang tawag sa mga theaters, Broadway. Yan. So left and right makikita mo na may mga shows and mostly are already starting at 7. So yeah, so mga stand-up, opera. So nandito sa 44th Street.
6th Street in the mall.
Right, so Madison Avenue is closed. Ito yung Chrysler Building, guys, kung nakikita nyo. So the road is completely blocked off by NYPD. I don't know why. So President Biden is passing by. Kaya naka-block off yung road. So we'll be lucky makita namin siya dito right in front. I think that's it. So, nakita nyo ba? Di man lang nagbaba ng bintana. Alright guys, so we're walking through the Grand Central. Ito rin yung pinaka magarbong MRT station dito, or subway station. Right in front of, right beside Chrysler Building. Wow, it's the Grand Central subway on the 42nd Street. Ticketing station. Siyempre, flag the United States of America. So, and then yung mga gates makikita mo papunta sa iba-ibang railroad tracks kung saan subway gates ka pupunta. So, impressive. So, medyo komplikado sa mga first timer tong subway station ng New York. Morning guys, Saturday, last day in NYC. Pauwi na kami.
Okay, so puno-puno ang mga bag na marunong.
In 1.2 kilometers, turn right off.
Ay, yung visa, i-open.
Open nyo na yung USB.